Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Light comes from many lamps, but you are preaching that.
Because Indian culture has always taught that light comes from many lamps.
But your preaching consistently from the Gita.
Yes, that is the supreme light. There are degrees of light. There is sunlight and there is this light. You cannot compare this light with the sunlight. Light comes from everywhere. But that does not mean the sunlight and this light is the same. First of all, you understand this. You have question about the light. First of all, you understand there are degrees of light. You cannot say this light and the sunlight is the same.
By this you mean that those who adapt to the life by the teachings coming from the Quran or from the Bible is
that is your business to study. But we give you the idea that light comes from everywhere. There is one glow one. That light also light. And the sunlight is also light. You cannot think that the glow one's light and the sunlight is the same. Now it is your business to see which is glow one light and which is sunlight. That is your business.
It has been allegedly argued, particularly in third world countries, that your movement is under the wing of a certain imperialist countries.
Says that there is some allegation that our movement is connected with certain imperialist countries.
Let them say all nonsense, what can I say? Every nonsense will speak something nonsense. How can I check it? There are so many nonsenses, therefore we are trying to make all this nonsense into human being. That is our program. So long he is on nonsense, he will go on speaking nonsense. What can I do?
Swamiji, one thing I want to know, this slok, from where you have quoted this slok? This slok,
yes, it is in the 3rd chapter of 12th canto of Srimad Bhagavad. Have you got all the Bhagavatas? 12 canto? So you can note it.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare